Greetings, one and all, and welcome to the Open Handed Classroom. I want to extend a special thank you to you, yes, you, for stopping by. Note that the question before us is a math question, and I got this question from the 2018 Paper 2 Mathematics BJC examination. Observe that this question is currently unsolved, but I assure you that by the end of this video, this question would be completed. But I have a question. I have a question for you, and my question is, are you ready? Are you ready? Then let's dive in. We begin by reading the question. And the question states the following. Write the numbers -5, 0, 10, and -13 from least to greatest. Again, write the numbers -5, 0, 10, and -13 from least to greatest. I'm going to give you an opportunity to attempt this question on your own, so please pause the video, attempt the question, and I'll see you on the other side of the pause. All right, now that you have attempted the question on your own, let us consider the question together. Again, the question wants us to arrange these numbers, -5, 0, 10, and 13, from least to greatest. Now, least to greatest means from the smallest, right? From the smallest to the biggest number. From the smallest to the biggest number. Okay, so notice that let's consider 0 and 10. Okay, so let's consider 0 and 10. Now, out of the numbers 0 and 10, which one do you think is bigger? Is it 0 or is it 10? Now, notice, or I should put it like this. How much, in terms of money, let's look at it in terms of money, right? Would you rather have $0 or would you rather have $10? Okay, is it better to have $0? Is it better to have $10? Indeed, you would have more money if you have what? $10 as opposed to having what? $0. It's better to have $10 as opposed to $0. So 10 is greater than 0. Okay, so 10 is greater than 0. Okay, so let us look at 0 and -5. Okay, let's look at 0 and -5. Okay, so you already know that that 10 is that 0 is less than 10, but let's look at -5 and 0. Okay, which one is the biggest, right? Let's look at it in terms of money. Would you rather have no money, or is it better to have no money or to owe someone $5? Is it better to have no money or to owe someone $5? Indeed, it is better to what? To have no money than to owe someone $5. So therefore, 0 is greater than -5. Okay, 0 is greater than -5. All right. Okay. So let us look at -5 and -13, right? -5 and -13. So we have -13 and 5 and -5. Okay, not 5 but -5. So we're looking at the two numbers -13 and -5. And my question is, which one is the bigger one, right? Which one is bigger? Which one is the greatest out of these two numbers? Is it -13 or is it -5? And let me ask you this question. Is it better to owe someone $5 or to owe someone $13? Right? Is it better to owe someone $5 or to owe someone $13? Indeed, it is better to owe someone $5 than to owe someone $13 because you would be more in debt. Okay, so indeed, -5 is greater than -13. Okay, so -13 is the smallest number. Then comes negative 5, then 0, then 10. So let's arrange these numbers from smallest to greatest. And the answer is negative 13, negative 13, negative 13. Next is negative 5. Next is 0, then 10. And that is the answer.